welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing and demonstrating the Ulike IPL hair removal device, which I'm super excited. I just got my hands on the viral IPL hair removal Ulike that you see everywhere, and now I know why it's so viral, because it's freaking amazing. So I'm going to show you the unboxing, how it comes, and why it's so popular. The design is sleek, it is chic, and also the packaging, like, it's a wow. Like, I can't believe like how detailed it is. They put a lot of thought into like everything, packaging, the style of the device. It is very impressive. I'm really happy that I got my hands on it, also because I'm literally saving thousands of dollars. Okay, what you're gonna pay for this device is basically you are going to pay for one session at a med spa to have, you know, sessions for hair removal. So you're basically going to spend, you know, so much money if you go to a med spa. If you were to buy this device, you're saving so much money because you're only investing one time. And you get to do this at the comfort of your own home, whenever you want. And it's so easy and painless free. So I'm super excited about this. It is definitely a game changer. So no more shaving, no more waxing. If you've been looking to get your hands on this, this is your sign. Go get your Ulike IPL hair removal device. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and down below, I'm going to share a promo code for you so you can take advantage of getting this product at a discounted rate. So make sure to click down below to get the promo code that reduces the price, $80 off for the Ulike IPL hair removal device. You're getting literally $80 off. So this is your sign to go get it. So go click down below and get that promo code so you guys can get the device, so you can be hairless. Okay, so if you guys are struggling and you're like, I want to get rid of my body hair, this is your sign. Go get it. So let's get started. I'm going to show you the unboxing, and I'm also going to show you how I use the device and walk you through it. All right, so before I show you how I'm going to use the device, I do want to tell you, look at how sleek it is. I like it. It's easy to use, and just overall, I'm very impressed with the device and also the packaging. It is very stylish and also very practical. It is user-friendly as well, and there's just amazing technology behind it. One of the really cool things that I do like about the Ulike IPL hair removal device is clinically proven and FDA backed, which makes it so amazing because we are going to see results in as little as 2 weeks, and we see a bigger result in a month. Another cool feature that I really like is that Sapphire-Ice Cooling effect. So it is painless, it is cooling, and so easy to use. Okay, so let's turn on the system, and I'm going to start with my arms and then my underarms. I'm going to be setting it to level 2 because level 1 is for like more sensitive areas, and so I think I can handle level 2. And I'm going to put it in the auto glide and then also the cooling sapphire effect, so I have that cooling system while I'm using the device. So I'm going to turn it on here, and we see that it's on level 1. And then we're going to press the power button again to go into level 2. And then we already see that it is on the cooling system because we see the snowflake. And now we're going to press here to get the glide, okay? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start, but before I do that, I'm gonna put my safety glasses on. And this is going to protect my eyes. I can still see, so that's good. I've experienced other brands and I can't see with the eyewear. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start with my arms. So I'm going to start with my arms, and we do get to see how it just activates. It's painless, guys. It doesn't hurt at all. And you do feel that cooling system. And it does have to be at 90 degrees. So the Ulike IPL hair removal system is a convenient solution for achieving like smooth skin at home. So now I'm going to do the other side, and we're going to start here so you guys can see. Level 2 is actually really good. I think I can go to level 3. So I am going to be doing this once a week. Now I'm moving to my underarms. So that was super easy. I am going to be doing my legs and other areas off camera, but I want to tell you guys that this device is super easy to use. It is at a great price point because you're basically going to save so much money if you get the device, because you get to do the hair removal at home and you don't have to go like to a med spa. Okay, so you do end up saving a lot of money. And remember, you do get $80 off when you use my promo code. So make sure that you go down to the description box and get that code so you guys can save $80 additional. Okay, because you're already getting a very good deal with the Ulike IPL hair removal device. If you are interested in getting your hands on the Ulike IPL hair removal device, go down to the description box, get the link, get the code so you guys can get $80 off the device. The device is amazing. Like I said, it's user-friendly, it's painless, and you do see results in about 2 weeks, and then the full results you will see it in 4 weeks, so in a month. Make sure to come back in a month and drop me a comment and ask me how I'm doing with my journey of getting really smooth skin. So make sure to hit the like button, share this out if it was helpful, and leave me a comment with your remarks.